I'm going to show you just how easy it is to get your people into ConveYour and then organize them however you want. There are a lot of ways to start getting people into ConveYour from day one. You can have people send a text message to join your system. You can have them join via a landing page. Or you can just add a handful of people one at a time. But the most common way to get a lot of people into the system quickly is by importing a roster using a CSV file. I'm going to show you how easy it is to import your roster and even include all your important fields that you're going to want to organize your teams around, like region, division, title, tenure, and so on. So let's check out a CSV file that might resemble something that you have. This is a simple kind of must-have columns like first and last name, email, and mobile number. Then you'll probably have a bunch of business-specific fields that you're going to want to use later to organize your group. So for our instance, we have title, region, business unit, and hire date. So let's go ahead and import it. We're just going to drag and drop our file right into there and upload it. Okay, check it out. We have all of our people imported into ConveYour. Clicking into a profile now, you can see your custom fields were added. Now let's say you want to send text message blasts to people based on their region. Let me show you how easy it is to organize them based on that location. So I'm going to just hop over here into groups and click create new group. Now I'm going to name it Northeast, and then I'm going to come over here and say the region is, and then we'll say Northeast. And look, immediately it matches 16 people to that region. Then we'll save the group. So back in the group, I can send a text or email to those in the Northeast region. I could also automate the release of training based on those that match this group. And the best part about these groups is that they are not static lists of people. If you import people with that same region, this group will automatically update to include the new people. This saves you a ton of admin time organizing and managing your roster. You can confidently send a text message or release training to a group knowing that the right people always match the group.